Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about the street lights here. Okay, this is 80 watts solar street lights, 4,000 lumens. Okay, so outdoor, waterproof. Okay, this one is currently selling at $109. With the coupon codes that I'll be providing in the descriptions, you will be saving $55. Okay, so bring it down to about maybe $54, $55 by itself. As you can see, the rating is 83 ratings, or 4.5, 4 out of 5. Not bad. And this is the floodlight. It's outdoor, solar powered. Let's take a look at some of the pictures that they provided. Suitable for a light pole. 15 to 20 feet installations. Motion sensors area. Charging during the day, 6 to 8 hours fully charging, 8,000 milliamp. Here you can put it against your house, on the fascia area, heated, frost resistance. Over there, you can use it, you put it on a pole, street lights, whatever you want. They do have a video of the installation itself if you want to check it out. But this is pretty much the material. There's aluminum. I don't know if I say it. Acryl. I'm not even going to try. Okay, so there's more about the item itself. IP65 waterproof. Easy installations. There we go. What else? Here, this is the company itself. Established in 2019. Looks pretty easy installation. Motion sensor, IP65 color temperature 6,000 K. Charged by solar. Has a remote. And these are the stuff that will be coming in with street light, lag bolt, anchor bolt, brackets. And they do have many different types here as well. Okay, so about $55 you can get this one right here. If you guys have any questions, leave it in a comment below. Other than that, take care and enjoy the saving, and I'll see you guys in the next video.